Hi Tamur, thank you for sending your files. So there are some issues with your files that I would like to point out and explain how to fix them. So I have your mockup folder here, I mean a mockup template and your images here. So first thing when I open your mockup in Photoshop, let me explain you how it works first. Okay. So thing is, where are we supposed to change the design? We are supposed to change the design in the smart object layer. So let me just okay, sorry. So where we are supposed to change the design. If you open the layers, there must be a smart object layer. Okay. So there are, this one is the smart object layer where we can change our design, and we also have another smart object layer. You see, it says add your design here. So the thing is, there are two different smart object layer, and perhaps the script or the bulk mockup tool is confusing in between these two. So what you need to do is you need to remove one of the layer, either this or this one. Okay. So I think we should remove this one because this is not placed in the, not resized according to the package here. So we can, use this one and delete this layer. But again, there are many effects in this layer, which is, I guess, very good for your mockup. Let me show you. I'm just trying to fix this mockup template. I don't know where you purchase this. Perhaps you could. Okay, so I don't think this is what we have been looking for. Is it what are you looking for? I don't think so. So perhaps I think this one is the best one, and we can delete this layer. Either you could delete this one, or you could right click and rasterize. Whatever you do, just make sure it is not a smart object layer. If it's there are more than two smart objects, one smart objects, the bulk mockup is going to get confused because it uses smart object to replace the designs. Okay, so I'll delete this one for now. So we have a smart object layer here, and let us see if it is resized up properly. I think it needs to yes, now it's perfectly resized, I guess. ah Now it is perfectly resized, and we can change the design with this one. So what we are going to do is right click, replace content. I'm trying to show you manually, then we'll use bulk mockup tool to do it. There you go. Again, this is not resizing properly to the brim that we wanted. So let us get back. Let me double click this one. If we double click this smart object layer, it opens up PSB layer. And if we open this one, perhaps see the difference in size. If I open this, the image size is 500 pixels, and if we open this one, the image size is 300 pixels. If we change this into 500, so this smart object layer and this one, this both needs to have the same size. Okay, at least the DPIs should be same. So either you change this into 500, sorry, change this into 500, and this you need to change this into 300, whatever you can do. Maybe I might sound a bit confusing here, but if you are good with Photoshop, I think you understand what I mean. So I'll go ahead and change this into 500 DPI. And I'm going to save this, close this one, then resize this. We'll add this sorry. Okay, now we will save this, and now if we run bulk mockup, it should work fine. Though I have a small tip for you, only if you are good with Photoshop. If you are using this for you know for web purposes, for your portfolio or something like that, what I'd suggest you, resize the image here instead of going with, if you see the size, we have 300 resolution here. Instead of going with 300, you could go with 72, and it would be much easier and faster for you to run bulk mockup, because larger the size, bulk mockup will take more time, because Photoshop will take more time. So now once we have saved this, I can go ahead and show you how it works. I'll go to File, Script, Bulk Mockup, PSD template folder, Mockup, Export location. We'll create a new folder here for the exports. And the design location. These are the design location. We'll have this. JPG is fine because your files are in JPG format. So I'm also going to check this resize the design files, because I might fear that your design files and this mockup files are not in size, so it will automatically resize, and we'll run bulk mockup. So what it does is, it is resizing the design files, and once resizing is done, you can see files will be exported in this folder. Okay, so you can see now. So this is good, at least a moving point. There are some issues here. You could see that it has not completely covered the mockup template. So again, you need to modify your mockup templates, because it has exported all the files. If we open our mockup template, you could see if we're going to replace this one with any of our designs, you see it is not actually capturing the whole thing, because the size, or you could say, you know um, the design is not placed properly, because the aspect ratio and all needs to be modified. So what we can do, we can go to warp, what I'm trying to show you, that you need to modify your mockup templates. Okay, and it's better if all your size, the size of the smart object layer, if you double click this one, and your design files, where are your design files, this design files should be in the same DPI at least. Okay, if they are in the same DPI, like 300 DPI or 72, the job will be much easier. And if they exactly match the size, I think it would be much better, because in that case, if everything is in accordance, if the design files and this smart object layer has the same size, then in case when you run bulk mockup, you do not need to check this resize design files, because the files are consistent in size. So I hope it helps. It's a if you have any other questions, just get in touch. Thank you.